Dear friends, as we all know that this period is going on for English classes. Okay? So, come on the point. Our today's topic is tense. Tense is the backbone of English grammar. As we all know that very well.
Yes.
So, come on the point. The topic is English grammar, and as we all know that also the father of English grammar is Lindley Murray. The father of English grammar is Lindley Murray. Next, our topic is tense, and as we all know that English is divided into two groups. First is British language, and second one is American language. So this is the word of tempers. This is the word of tempers, and this is the tense. Tense comes from a tempest word. Tense comes from a word of tempers. Okay. In English, the father of English. Who is the father of English? George. The father of English. Okay. Next, tense comes from a Latin word that is called tempers. Tense comes from a Latin word. Latin word, Greek language. Latin word, Greek language. Tense comes from a Latin word is called tempers. Tempers एक वर्ड है लैटिन लैंग्वेज का, और लैटिन लैंग्वेज tempers से ही निकल के क्या हम लोग का आता है? Tense आता है. I mean to say that tense comes from a Latin word that is tempers. Okay. There is a lots of example of tense. Definitely, if I will start to teach you all that, definitely you will write the maximum definition about tense. But when you do fear in your mind, no need to write a fear on copy. Copy पे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. और ये कितना पॉइंट? फेयर किया जाता है तो माइंड में फेयर किया जाता है. अगर आप पन्नों पे फेयर करेंगे तो आप भूल सकते हैं, पेज फट सकता है. बट इफ यू राइट अ फेयर इन योर माइंड, अगर आप अपने दिमाग में फेयर करते हैं तो नोबडी कैन इरेज. कोई इरेज वहां से नहीं कर सकता है. और माइंड में रहेगा तो आप बहुत सारे पन्नों को भी फेयर बना सकते हैं. So tense, there is the first example for definition of tense. Tense according to verb, the time is changing is called tense. यानी कि according to verb, verb के अनुसार जो समय जो हम लोग का जो होता है टाइम वो चेंज हो जाता है. चेंज मतलब बदल जाता है. उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? Tense. Tense means if your time is starting to change. If your time is starting to change according to the verb form. How many kinds of verb form? 5. V1, V2, V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. V1, V5 express always present tense. What is the tense? Present tense. V2, V3 express always past tense. V3 ही बात को कौन बताता है? V2 और V3. And V4 is including all the tense that is a continuous, continuously, randomly, repeatedly, continuously को बताता है कौन? V4. Okay. So according to verb, the time is changing is called tense. वर्ब के अनुसार समय बदल जाता है, उसे टेंस कहते हैं. जैसे राम इज राइटिंग ए लेटर. राइट इज अ वर्ब फॉर्म. कौन सा वर्ब फॉर्म है? वर्ब फॉर्म नंबर फर्स्ट. तो इसको हमने V4 बनाया. राइटिंग. तो राम इज राइटिंग ए लेटर, यानी राम पत्र को लिख रहा है. नेक्स्ट, यू गो टू स्कूल. तुम स्कूल जाते हो. अगर मैं यहाँ पर राइटिंग की जगह पे मैं लिख दूं और राम हैज रिटेन अ लेटर, यानी कि राम पत्र लिख चुका है. यानी कहने का मतलब आई मीन टू से इट व्हेन विल यू चेंज वर्ब फॉर्म. व्हेन विल यू चेंज वर्ब फॉर्म इन द सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस के अंदर जब आप वर्ब फॉर्म चेंज करेंगे और सब्जेक्ट विल बी सेम और ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी आल्सो द सेम, बट व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ब फॉर्म, definitely your time will be changing. And if your time will be changing, that is called tense. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
sir. When will you change the verb form in the sentence? Definitely your time will be changed. And if your time is starting to change, that is called tense. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The second example, the second definition of tense. Tense is the study of the verb form. Got it? The study of the verb form. Verb form की study को क्या बोलते हैं? Tense. The second, tense is the backbone of English grammar. Tense is the backbone of English grammar. Without it, cannot read, speak, and write a good grammatically English. Okay. Next, tense denotes the time or action. Tense हमेशा times को डिनोट करता है और एक्शन वर्ड को डिनोट करता है. व्हाट इज एक्शन वर्ड? एक्शन वर्ड मींस वर्ब फॉर्म्स. एक्शन वर्ड मींस वर्ब फॉर्म. वर्ब को ही एक्शन वर्ड बोलते हैं. वर्ब इज कॉल्ड एक्शन वर्ड. व्हाट इज एन एक्शन वर्ड? वर्ब इज कॉल्ड एन एक्शन वर्ड. सो टेंस डिनोट्स मींस एक्सप्रेस करता है टाइम को और एक्शन को. नेक्स्ट, टेंस इज द सोल ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. टेंस इज द सोल ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सोल? आत्मा. टेंस इज द सोल ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. Without it cannot read, speak and write a good English. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
There are three kinds of tense. How many kinds of tense?
Three.
First, present, past, and future. So these are the kinds of tense, but it depends on the time. टाइम को बताता है, प्रेजेंट की बात को प्रेजेंट, बीती हुई बात को पास्ट और आने वाला समय को फ्यूचर। सो कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, present tense. Present tense, what is present tense? As we all know that the Hindi meaning of present tense is called वर्तमान काल, जो समय चल रहा है, the time is going on, the time is going on, the time is running on, is called present tense. जो समय चल रहा है उसे present tense बोलते हैं. Ram writes a letter, as we all know that this is the V5 and this is V4. So V5 and V1 always express what? Always express present tense. And as we all know that we are studying in present tense. The time is going on or running on. It's called present tense. Example: Ram writes a letter. You are going to a school. Next, past tense means बीती हुई बात को भूतकाल. Past tense, the time has gone. The time has gone. Before present tense. Present tense के पहले जो बीत चुका होता है, that is called past tense. Example: You went to school. तुम स्कूल जाते थे. B2 means जाते थे, तुम स्कूल जाते थे. And Sita was cooking food. सीता खाना बना रही थी. Why? Was because is MR always denotes present tense. Was where past and shall be future. What is MR? Was were and shall be. These are the example of helping verb. These are the example of helping verb. And HV, the full name of HV is helping verb. Total helping verb कितने होते हैं? 24 kinds. Okay, is MR, was, will, shall, will, would, can, could, might, must. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Next, future tense. The time will come. Time will come. After present tense. Present tense के बाद जो समय आएगा, that will be future tense. Okay, that is called future tense. First, you will do this work. आप इस काम को करेंगे means this sentence is saying that in the sense of the time will come and when will you give a time and you will do that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, you will do this work and you will be speaking English. आप अंग्रेजी बोलते रहेंगे. कब? In the time of future. If you learn, then you can speak. अगर आप सीखेंगे तब ना बोलेंगे.
Yes, sir.
जब तक सीखेंगे नहीं तब तक नहीं बोल सकते हैं. But if we have a desire to speak in English, definitely we can speak in English. Okay? जब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. So come on the point. Every tense divided into 4 parts. Every tense. Here is the main point. Every tense means 3 tense. Total कितने tense है? How many tense are? 3. It means every tense, present, past or future. Every tense divided into 4 parts. Simple, indefinite tense, imperfect, continuous or progressive tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This time is over, and I hope you got it. Out of it. Got it, everyone?
Yes.